Good morning, class 6. Today we will start third chapter of EVS, plants and animals. In this chapter, what you are going to learn is about the energy, the different trophic levels and pollination. Let's begin with new terms. You will be writing these new terms in your notebook. Energy, force of doing work. Solar, related with sun. Chain, a series of connected links. Herbivores, plant-eating animals. Carnivores, flesh-eating animals. Omnivores, both plant and flesh-eating animals. Pollen, fine particle that can fertilize into a plant. Nectar, sugary substance produced by plants. Plants and animals are the dominant groups of living beings on earth. Both depend upon each other. Their interdependence can be better understood in the energy flow system or food chain. So, obviously, plants and animals both are interdependent on each other. No one can survive without the other. Energy. Energy is an important component of the environment. Life is not possible without it. All living organisms work like machines which require energy. The sun is a chief source of energy in the environment. So the chief source of energy in the environment is sun. Trophic level 1. All green plants receive solar energy which is converted into heat energy. So it's the energy which we get from sun, that is the solar energy, and it is converted into heat energy. Most of heat energy is lost to atmosphere by the plants. And some of the heat energy that remains in the plant is converted into chemical energy or food. So the solar energy that is received by the green plants, that is used by the plant for making the food. Some of the energy that is lost in the atmosphere, and this is the first trophic level of food chain or food web. Both the names are given to it. It lies at the bottom. Plants make their own food from solar energy. Therefore, they are called autotrophs or producers, because they are making their food for themselves. So they are known as autotrophs. That is, auto means automatically, because obviously they are doing it on their own, or they are even known as the producers. Trophic level 2. Energy stored in plants at trophic level becomes source of energy for plant-eating animals known as herbivores. So the energy which is stored in the plants at trophic level 1, that becomes the source of energy for the animals which are eating the green plants, because the energy which is there, that is when the animals eat those plants, they get that energy. So in simple words, when herbivores eat the plants, the energy present in the plant is transferred to the plant-eating animals. With the help of this energy, the herbivores grow. So we are all, also eating these green plants, and sometimes the fruits. So we also get the energy from the plants. Algae are plant-like organisms that lack roots and leaves. So a question is which plant doesn't have roots and leaves? So it is algae. Then koala feeds on eucalyptus only, right? And the energy remains stored in them. This is the trophic level 2 of the food chain or food web. So first is plants, which is preparing their own food. Second is herbivores, which is eating the plants and getting the energy which is stored in the plants. So that is trophic level 2. Now trophic level 3. Energy stored in herbivores at trophic level 2 becomes the source of energy for flesh-eating animals called carnivores. Same ways, when the herbivores are getting the energy from the plants, that is stored in them, and when the carnivore or those animals are being eaten, then the energy is transferred to them. So when carnivore eat herbivores, the energy present in the herbivores transfers to the carnivores. With the help of this energy, the carnivores grow and energy remains stored in them. This is the third level of food chain known as trophic level 3. So this is a third level where the carnivores are getting the energy after eating the herbivores who are from trophic level 2. So this is known as trophic level 3. Now, children, with this we will stop here, and we will be continuing trophic level 4 in the next class. Just remember the things which are given in these boxes, like blue whales are carnivores and krills are their main food. Do read all these things. It's important for your exams. Take care of yourselves. Be safe at home. Thank you, class.